Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of trading on BingX. If you're looking to enhance your trading experience, you've come to the right place. Let's talk about how you can make the most of your time on BingX and why you should consider using the referral code CHUCHU. BingX is a powerful platform that provides users with a variety of trading opportunities, including spot trading, derivatives, and even copying successful traders. With its user-friendly interface and advanced trading features, it's no wonder that BingX is becoming a popular choice among crypto enthusiasts and traders alike. So, why should you sign up using the BingX referral code CHUCHU? First, using this referral code not only helps you get started easily, but it also unlocks exclusive benefits. When you enter the code CHUCHU during the registration process, you'll gain access to promotions such as trading fee discounts, bonus funds, and even higher withdrawal limits on the platform. That's right. By signing up with our referral code, you get more bang for your buck right from the beginning. Moreover, BingX offers a wide range of educational resources. Whether you're a beginner or an seasoned trader, you'll find valuable insights on trading strategies, market analysis, and risk management. This knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to succeed in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. Additionally, BingX prides itself on its robust security measures. Knowing that your funds and data are protected allows you to trade with confidence. Pair that with the benefits of using the referral code CHUCHU, and you've set yourself up for a successful trading journey. So, don't wait. Head over to BingX, register using the referral code CHUCHU, and start trading smarter today. Remember, the right tools and resources can make all the difference in your trading success. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto insights, and don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU for exclusive benefits on BingX. Happy trading!